Welcome to our Spanish Mission garden.
Got our beautiful steppers up to our front door.
Yeah, I like these. These are good steppers, aren't they?
These are cool.
What an entrance. Like, this is so grand.
Over here we've got our beautiful little seated area with our citrus trees, our olive trees.
It's very relaxing.
It is.
Up onto our beautiful Juliet balcony for the master bedroom, and then our guest bedroom deck over here. Up through here you've got our archway leading you to the front door.
Oh, look at the arch.
That's cool.
Wowzers.
That archway is sick.
Beautiful, isn't it?
You walk through, there's our jasmine.
Star jasmine.
Star jasmine.
Got our tangelo tree, and
Tangelo tree, another lemon tree.
A beautiful deck that is going to continue all the way through to the backyard. There will be a wall here for privacy, and then our beautiful 100-year-old front door.
Someone's going to fall in love with this front yard. It could sell the place.
Welcome to our beautiful front yard.
Welcome, come on in. You walk up these beautiful
Concrete steps.
I love this entry. The travertine looks amazing.
It's a very, very elegant entry.
We want you to meet Lola, a 200-year-old grass tree. She's a beauty. She'll be watching this house.
How cool are those bricks?
Oh, they're
it actually
stunning.
looks amazing.
I know.
I would never think to mix like black and white bricks.
I'm not sure if I love those bricks or if I hate those bricks.
And this is my favourite little bit. Just sitting here with the northern sun on you, having a cup of coffee.
Relaxing.
Mate, what a yard.
Yeah, it is simple. It is very simple, but beautiful.
It is, it's simple, but it's effective.
I don't know, there's nothing like really wow in here.
Look, this house, we've gone for something simple but elegant and keeping it timeless.
Yeah.
We definitely feel like this is a place where your dogs and your kids can run around and play.
Yep.
And just having a really good time
Yep.
in front of that northern sun.
We love it, and we hope you guys love it just as much as we do.
Welcome to our front garden. Come on in, have a look. Up the beautiful deck.
Bit of inspiration here for a family. There's some grass to play on. We've got a stepping stone walkway out to the side of the house. Beautiful luscious planting, which, you know, Daniel and I absolutely love.
You can take a turn about the garden, go for a wander.
So I like the actual the pavers to get around the side. I think it's a great idea.
Up on the deck here, a beautiful lemon tree. You can come out, pick your lemons and put it in whatever beverage you like.
Having that lemon tree up there.
Yeah, it's a nice touch, isn't it?
What? Lemon tree?
Next to you.
Oh.
How did you miss the lemon tree?
Somewhere beautiful to sit and have your cup of tea.
This is just fantastic.
The patio, yeah.
High patio and just, oh, how nice is that?
This is a good little spot for a cuppa, isn't it?
Nice little spot for a cuppa, mate.
Our Mayfield sign, the Mayfield,
Beautiful.
1930, our beautiful house. This is exactly what she is. We hope that you love our garden as much as we do.
Welcome to our room.
Have a look at our beautiful curved bench seat that just makes this rain garden functional. Look at that.
Oh, the curved step looks amazing. I love that.
Curved concrete. Looks familiar.
It does, doesn't it?
Looks like what we did in our dining room.
Our lovely water feature, which we love.
I love it. Listen to that. You hear water, not cars.
Man, believe it or not, I actually really like this.
So do I.
They didn't like it?
Nah.
Yeah, I like that. I don't know why they didn't like that. I think it's good.
With our custom paving, checked in with a nice little pattern on it, all our beautiful planting, our kangaroo paws, you know, there's a lot of natives in here.
Up the stairs, Summer Hill. Hey, isn't that pretty as a picture? We hope you enjoyed seeing our room as much as we did.
Don't get rid of your water feature. Welcome to Palm Springs.
Welcome, check it out.
Low maintenance garden.
No mower needed out here.
Breeze blocks, which is obviously 1950s.
Alejandro, it's also a hat rack.
cactus there.
Yeah, it just stabbed me. I think it's very different.
Wow, it's very different.
Tell you what, for an investor's house, this is perfect. You don't have to do anything here.
Yeah, low maintenance.
The deck up here comes off the guest bedroom and the master bedroom. It's a really good space.
Darren,
Darren Palmer,
check him out. Look at him in all his glory.
in all his glory. If you come down the side here,
Polished concrete steppers down the side to our front entry. Side entry from Orchard Street. Boom.
front door. What a statement.
Ah, pink door, hey?
Cute.
That's very cool.
We hope you like our home.